Hey beautiful people! Have you tried 10 different creams and still feel like your skin hates you? You're putting in all this effort, spending all this money, but nothing seems to work long term. It's frustrating, right? What if I told you the secret to clear, glowing skin is already in your kitchen? No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just simple ingredients and a little bit of love. We're going back to basics, stripping away all the noise and focusing on what truly matters, giving your skin the nourishment it craves. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about understanding your skin and working with it, not against it. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to walk you through a transformative journey, a holistic approach to skincare that goes beyond just topical treatments. Get ready to ditch the complicated routines and embrace the power of nature. Watch till the end because your skin is about to thank you big time. Alright, let's kickstart our 7-day journey with something simple yet incredibly effective. We're talking about hydration, but not just any hydration. We're talking about glow-getting, system-flushing, skin-loving hydration that starts from within. And the secret ingredient is cucumber and mint-infused water. When you're dehydrated, your skin is the first to show it. It gets dry, flaky, and dull. It can even trigger excess oil production and breakouts. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out toxins that can wreak havoc on your skin. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that fight damage from those pesky free radicals. Mint, on the other hand, is known for its cooling and soothing properties. It can help calm inflammation and redness, giving your skin that healthy, radiant glow we're all after. Simply chop up some cucumber and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Add them to a pitcher of water and let it infuse overnight in the fridge. Every morning, start your day with a tall glass of this refreshing goodness. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and more hydrated your skin looks and feels. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within. Alright, day 2. And we're diving straight into the heart of our skincare routine, cleansing. But before you reach for that foaming cleanser packed with harsh chemicals, hold on, we're doing things the natural way today. We're ditching the sulfates, the parabens, the synthetic fragrances, and embracing the power of 2 simple ingredients: gram flour, also known as besan, and pure rose water. Gram flour has been used for centuries in India for its incredible skin benefits. It's a natural cleanser that gently removes dirt, impurities, and excess oil without stripping your skin of its natural moisture barrier. Rose water is like the ultimate skin soother. It's naturally anti-inflammatory, which means it calms redness and irritation. It also helps balance your skin's pH level, keeping it happy and healthy. To make this gentle yet effective cleanser, simply mix equal parts gram flour and rose water to form a paste. Apply it to damp skin and massage gently in circular motions for a minute or 2. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. You'll be amazed at how soft, smooth, and clean your skin feels without that tight, dry feeling you get from harsh cleansers. It's like giving your skin a gentle, loving hug. It's day 3, and we're leveling up our skincare game with a weekly deep cleanse. This is where we draw out impurities, detoxify the skin, and give it a reset. We're using 3 incredible ingredients: Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, sandalwood powder, and rose water. Multani Mitti cleanses and purifies the skin. It draws out dirt, oil, and impurities. Sandalwood powder has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It soothes skin, reduces redness, and fights acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, and rose water to form a paste. Apply an even layer to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes or until it dries. Gently massage with wet fingers to remove it. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Your skin will look and feel clean, refreshed, and radiant. This is true deep cleansing. Welcome to day 4, where we focus on overnight repair and rejuvenation. Nighttime is when our skin gets a chance to rest and repair. Enhance this with a simple 2-step ritual for baby-soft, glowing skin by morning. Start with cleansing to remove makeup and grime. Tonight, we're using raw milk. It's packed with lactic acid to exfoliate and brighten. Soak a cotton pad in cold raw milk and swipe it across your face. Leave it on for a few minutes or rinse off. Now hydrate and heal. Aloe vera gel is great for acne-prone skin. It's soothing and anti-inflammatory. For dry skin, use organic coconut oil. It's deeply moisturizing and locks in goodness overnight. So there you have it, your 7-day roadmap to clear, healthy, glowing skin using the power of nature. And the best part? This is just the beginning. You don't need magic. You just need 7 days of gentle, loving care. Trust your skin. It knows how to heal. Just give it a break from the chaos. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, listen to your skin. It will guide you to what it needs. What's one skincare myth you believed for too long? Drop it in the comments and let's bust it together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more skincare secrets and natural remedies. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember, true beauty comes from within.